Let's try to find them. By the way, I'm recording. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Kitty cat kitty. Kitty cat cat. Kitty kitty kitty. Come here, kitty. I can't find them. Crap. Let's go find them. Be as quiet as you can, so you don't wake them up. Go. Where did they go? I found them, but they're not babies. We were looking for baby cats. Oof, that hurt. My legs hurt from sitting. Did you find them? Did you find them?
Mama. Oh, don't pet them. Oh, don't hold them. Don't hold them.
We found the cats. Dude, they're so cute. We found the cats. And the video ends with him thumbs upping.